guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unboxing Nokia C20. Okay, so this is one of the amazing mobile phone. So now you can see here in this side there are few features available inside here, so such as more memory. So you will get the Android 11 inside the Nokia C20, and you will get the 6.5-inch SD plus display, and you will get 3000 mAh battery. Okay, so and you will get the quality design, and you will get the better type of the grip and night camera action, HDR and beautiful type of your camera, and you will get the 4G LTE and VoLTE. So there are a few things available. So this is the packaging of the Nokia C20. So I'm going to unboxing this one. Okay, so first of all, I am just pressing this one. Okay, so I'm just pulling this one from this side. I think it will come from here. Okay, so this is the actual product. Okay, and now we can see here, so it is okay. So this is the actual product, and I am just going to show this one. So now we can see this is the back side of this smartphone, and then this is the front side of this smartphone. So let me check what other things available inside this box. So I'm going to throw this one. So here is one manual card, and another is the warranty card. So this is the warranty card, and this is the user manual. Okay, so I'll just leave that one, and you will get one headphone. So if I open this one, so maybe the black color headphone you will get. Okay, so this is maybe a genuine type of the headphone. I don't know, I think it is good or not. Okay, just leave it. Okay, I'll not open this one. And here is a adapter, charging adapter. Okay, so now you can see here it will the output of this adapter is 5 voltage. Okay, and the input is 100 and 240 voltage. So in this way, so you can use this one, and this is the USB cable, and you can insert it and you can charge your mobile phone. Okay, so just leave all the accessories here. Okay, and now I am trying to open this smartphone. So first of all, I am just pressing the power button, and now you can see here it is opening, right? And it is telling me that powered by Android Go edition. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. So the classic type of the Nokia static tone is coming. Okay, so I think it will take a little bit time. I think the starting time is not good. I think in my opinion this phone is not the very advanced phone, so you can use this one only for a few things. Okay, so now you can see I am unlocking this one, and this is the features, and this is the interface, the first look of this Nokia C20. And I am just dragging this one from here, so you can increase and decrease the brightness from here. Okay, and I am just going inside the settings, and I am just going to check. Okay, so I am just decreasing the brightness. Okay, and I am just going to decrease I am going to check the storage. I think, where is the storage? So this is the storage. Okay, so now you can see it is telling me that 6.20 GB is already used, and you will get the 32 GB inside here. Okay, so this is one of the amazing thing, and you will get the 2 GB RAM also. So this is one of the simple type of the budget phone, and hoping that you get few ideas about this phone. Okay, so you will get the 3000 mAh battery, and you will get the 32 GB internal storage, and you will get the 2 GB RAM inside this smartphone. And this phone is one of the budget phone. I think you can also afford this mobile phone. So if you want to buy this smartphone, I am going to give you the link in the video description. You can support me by purchasing this phone from my affiliate link, which will give me a few commissions to run this YouTube channel. So hoping that you get few ideas. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.